How you doing, guys? This is Tony Zaramoto. I have a quick review about a 2010 Passat CC 2.0 Turbo. Customer bring the car here to check for code 2293, which is a solenoid valve at a high fuel pressure, mechanical. It is. So I removed the fuel pump. I tried to check somehow the fuel pressure since I'm using a snap-on scanner. A snap-on scanner doesn't have that program. Well, I talked to my customer, and then I said to him, let me remove the high-pressure fuel pump and inspect the cap and check the cam for damage. Everything was look good, okay, but I had my doubt about the solenoid. Okay, so I talked to my customer. He's agreed to replace the fuel pump. So I replaced the fuel pump, okay, without doing enough research. After I put a new one, I took the car for a ride, and 3 minutes later, the car died on me on the freeway. Somehow, I make it back to the shop, okay? So I start doing more and more deep research about those type of engines, FSI, TSI, and other models, okay? And I find out they also have a fuel pressure rail sensor. Okay. The code will say 2293 mechanical failure, high pressure volume, solenoid shorted out. Well, this is not a solenoid. This is a sensor. This is a solenoid. Okay. So I started doing more and more research, and I decided to change this sensor. So I went straight to the dealer and buy one, and Friday morning put one on it. Okay, and after that I took the car everywhere on Friday, everywhere. I drive the car everywhere. If I want to go buy parts, I take the car, eat lunch, everywhere. Nothing happens. The car runs like a champ. Saturday morning, the next day, I keep driving the car. No problems, no issues, no nothing. And today, customers show up and want to take the car. And I said, sure, no problem. Let me grab my scanner and make sure there is no more codes on the system. And no more codes. Computer was 0 codes. So the customer took the car, and so far customer is not calling me back for anything, and I think the car was fixed. So before replacing a fuel pump, you can remove it, okay, and check if you have this roller cap at the end of the fuel pump. If you have the flat cap and the flat cap is wear out, that means you got a problem. You can start by replacing only the cap, not the fuel pump, because the fuel pump seems to be fine. Only this wears out. Okay, only if you have the flap. I think from 2008 and down to 2005, Volkswagen Jetta with the same engine, TSI, FSI, they have this common problem. If you have the flat cap, but from 2008 and 2011 and up, they have the roller, which the dealer or the engineers designed that this is better, okay? But if after you fixing it, if that doesn't fix your problem, try the sensor. But I said, check this one first. If this one is bad, change it, okay? If you have the flat roller, the flat cap, this one is a roller. If that doesn't fix your problem, and then try the sensor. I mean, I should have tried that before, but everybody makes mistakes. Okay, there is no such a thing. I'm very professional, and one time fix and one time is done. No, there is no such thing as that. Not even the more expert, master can fucking do it. Okay, so try that, and then leave some comments. Okay, bye bye.